Hola, mi nombre es Youkeyy. Bienvenido a mi canal. Oh, she's cultured. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Look who's getting her voice back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something incredibly different, diversified, content, you know what I'm saying? This video idea came to me about a month to 6 weeks ago around 3 a.m. and I was kind of scared to do it at first, but now that I have the strength of all of Wakanda behind me, I can now execute. So I decided I would attempt to do an entire makeup tutorial in Spanish using Google Translate or Siri. In all honesty, I didn't even check YouTube to see if anyone has ever done a video like this. If they have, wonderful. If not, cool. This is something that came up in my head, and too many times in the past I have let the fact that other people have done other video ideas before stop me from executing things that my brain has thought of. So just putting that out there. I guess you could say I am kind of cheating a little bit. And I did take Spanish in high school. I took Spanish 1, 2, and 3, and I believe I took Spanish 2 honors, or was it 3 honors? After I graduated high school, I did not use it. So everything just went poof, bye-bye. It was all gone. And in case you're wondering, yes, I'm feeling very patriotic today. I do have dual citizenship, not to brag or anything, but I'm Nigerian by birth and Wakandan by naturalization. So thank you very much. Please stop filling up our embassies, okay? We don't have any more visas to give to all you people who used to call us African booty scratchers, and now all of a sudden you want to be Wakandan. Stop. Thank you. Hey Siri, how do you say I've already moisturized my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream in Spanish?
Ya me he pasado la cara con la crema de Charlotte Tilbury.
Am I supposed to say that? Okay, más despacio, por favor. Okay, ya me ha pasado la crema. Ya me ha pasado la cara con la crema de Charlotte Tilbury. I'm sure there's a group of teenagers in Colombia who are probably looking at their phones right now and laughing at me. But see, with Google Translate, I have to type it out. Well, it's completely different on Google Translate. Ya humedeci mi cara usando la crema mágica. I can't even say the English words. Ahora voy a aplicar mi fundación. Fundación. So it's Thion. It's almost like Thion. Fundación. It's a Lancome Teint Idole Ultra 24-hour makeup. How do you say 500 suede W in Spanish?
I'm having a bit of trouble here. Can you please try that again?
500 suede W in Spanish.
I'm having a bit of trouble here. Can you please try that again?
Siri, why are you so useless? No, tell me, why are you so useless? Your mate Alexa is booking flights to Dubai and delivering people's groceries to their door. Simple translation you can't even do. All you know how to do is tell me the weather. Now I have to go in here and go into Google Translate and type it in. Mi sombra en esta base es 500W de gamuza. I tried. Going to mix this foundation with a lighter color because it's too dark for me. Voy a hacer esta fundación con un color encendedor porque está muy oscuro. Okay. El base es The Ordinary in 3.1Y. He mezclado demasiado el color encendedor. How do you say we will just contour later?
Más tarde.
You're stupid. That's what you are. Google Translate decided not to pronounce it for me. Acabaremos de contornear más tarde. Este no es el color correcto. Estoy usando el Morphe M439 or M439. It's too light. I mixed too much of the lighter color in there. Me está llevando 5 horas hacer una cosa. Ahora voy a limpiar mis cepas. Ahora voy a limpiar mis cepas usando el resplandor negro de la oscuridad negra. I want to keep saying fundación, but it's fundación because the way he says it's like fundación. Like it's just, it's just Fundación. You guys want to know a funny story? I'm not going to say this in Spanish because it's just way too long. My family used to clown me because I do speak my native language, but I don't speak it fluently. I can understand it better than I can speak it. So they used to be like, you cannot even speak your own language. You want to go and learn Spanish and be doing essays and writing projects in Spanish. By the way, the official language of Nigeria is English. Okay, just putting that out there. It is English. However, there are over 300 languages, including dialects in Nigeria alone. So please don't ask if I speak Nigerian. Solo voy a hacer un simple aspecto de vista. By the way, so something I learned years ago is that everyday conversational Spanish is different from like, you know, an office, dissertation, thesis kind of Spanish. You know, just like how when we speak in English, we speak differently face to face, like in a social, you know, chilling with my friends kind of situation compared to like at the office. And hello today, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to propose a new division of this company's line of eyebrow pencils. The Spanish that Siri is giving me feels very incomplete compared to the Spanish Google Translate is giving me. Me gusta usar corrector para cerrar los ojos. Esto es Makeup Revolution, Conceal and Define in C12. How do you say that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, in C12. Or blend it out. Se acabó. There we go.
Translate into which language?
Spanish. Pat the brush onto the eye. Siri, I'm going to replace you with Alexa.
I don't know what you mean by I'm going to replace you with Alexa. How about a web search for it?
How can I even shade you properly if you don't even understand what I'm saying? Voy a usar esta paleta. No. Voy a usar esta paleta de sombras de ojos. Voy a usar este tono llamado Emperatriz. Emperatriz. Pero esto es una paleta muy bien. Yo me gusta mucho. Say blend it out in Spanish. Abróchalo. Usa movimientos circular. Usando el color prerrogativa real. Supongo que crearemos un ojo naranja ahumado. Porque I didn't know what I was doing. So I'm just putting colors on my face. Usando el color ladyship. Vamos a usar una mezcla limpia. Use a clean blending brush. Usa movimiento circular. I learned something. Una mezcla limpia. Right? I think so. Usando Emperatriz. I don't remember. Youkeyy, this was supposed to be a simple eye. What? You know what? I'm done with myself. ¿Por qué pinta mal? Mal. Okay. Vamos a limpiar. Limpiar todo. Okay, not todo. Aquí, limpiar todo. Liquid eyeshadow in Gold Goddess. Sombra de ojos líquida, estila en diosa de oro. Estoy usando el marcador de alta by Artist Couture en La Peach. Usando ColourPop No Filter Concealer Deep Golden y mezclar con una esponja de belleza. Y mezclando con una esponja de belleza que es más pequeña. Voy a usar el Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder en 35 Deep. Ahora voy a usar el polvo de acabo de Maybelline en polvo suelto en 35 de profundidad. Voy a usar este polvo para establecer las áreas resaltadas. I tried. Y nariz, la boca. I know it's cabeza for head, but how do you say forehead? Can't remember. Frente is forehead? Really? So MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep para establecer las otras partes de la cara. And Google Translate stopped talking to me, so I don't have a reference for how to say these things. En esta parte del ojo, we'll use Empress. So, Emperatriz. Aquí. Y este tono llamado Ladyship. It's kind of a purple color. Es un color morado. Conecta la parte superior e inferior. Y ahora para delineador. Oh my God. Y ahora para delineador de ojos. I usually do this off camera porque es realmente difícil para mí hacer frente a la cámara. Uso MacFix Plus para configurar el maquillaje. Maquillaje. Oh my God, I forgot to contour. Que estoy usando Sleek Makeup Face Contour Kit in dark. Y el nariz. Or is it la nariz? I don't know. Para resaltar la cara, que voy a usar Artist Couture, Labrons, okay. Usar Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35. Oh, LeBrons. Translate my life, LeBrons. Usando EXO Beauty Lashes. I didn't go into depth, you guys. This has been a struggle. Para el lápiz labios. Para el lápiz labial que estoy usando NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in just what I needed. I'm at the home stretch. I'm really tired. Este es el look de maquillaje completo. Like, look at this. I'm not joking. That's what it says on Google Translate. I feel like if I had said every little thing in Spanish, this would have taken me so much longer to film. It would be a longer video and you guys probably wouldn't even have understood what I was trying to say. I really wanted to do a simple look. I was like, okay, this is going to be a bit more complicated than usual, speaking a different language, do something easy, and color ended up on my face. I think I have a problem. I really do. I really do. And it's not that I don't like the look. I like the look. It's just the way I executed it that I don't like. If I were to do this look again, the order in which I applied the colors and also how far out I took the colors would definitely be different. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get all notifications so you do not miss any of my uploads. And also follow me on social media. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, Facebook, all of that. If you do follow me on Instagram, be sure to turn on post notifications so you get to see every single thing that I do post. And yeah, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my outro in Spanish. Suscríbete a mi canal. Oh my God. Y espero verte en el próximo video. ¡Wow! Si lo disfrutó, por favor haga clic en este video y comente. Suscribirse a mi canal y espero verte en el próximo video. Mantente bendecido. Adiós. I'm glad I challenged myself to do this, but I don't know if I could do this again. And please do not kid in my comment section talking about, oh, you should do a Nigerian version of one of the Nigerian languages. No. I'm from Benin City in Edo State, Nigeria. PATCHY. They don't have my language in the Google Translate database. They only have languages from the 3 largest ethnic groups. Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa, I believe, or either Igbo and Yoruba. I can't remember. Igbo is so hard. Oh my God. Like I can barely sing Flavor Nabania songs. Otegon chobalu. It don't say. I've been searching for you. Akrikata kata shekyuku. I feel like one of the most nice sounding languages in Nigeria is Yoruba. Yoruba is so sweet. It's so sweet to the ears, especially in music. Let me see. C language. Hello, my name is Youkeyy. Olufemi oruko mi ni Youkeyy. Nah. Google Translate does have Hausa. And let me try Igbo actually. Thank you for watching my video. Ekele maka kiri video. Can anyone actually try to pronounce, like, can you actually try to read that right there at the bottom? Because, like, it's like everything is nim, one nim. The M is, like, at the tail end. It's just, like, you just, the splash, you know? Ekelem maka kiri video. You people are not going to send this to your village people and then be laughing at me together. No.